Near the coast, we can find every year from the end of October to mid-November Cory's shearwater chicks that on their first night flights end up falling to the ground disoriented by the lights. Although they have not been damaged, these birds are unable to soar on their own. How should we act on these cases? It is very simple. Initial recognition. Observe if it suffers any kind of damage. Approach. Approach from behind and cover the bird with a small towel. Capture. Take it by the body with the wings folded and the head facing forward. Then, transfer it to a ventilated cardboard box. Report. Call 900-282-228 and report the location, or take the shearwater to the nearest police station. In no case, give it to eat or drink. The agents of the natural environment of the Council of Tenerife are in charge of collecting all the fallen shearwaters, which exceed 2,500 specimens per campaign. The birds are transferred to the Wildlife Recovery Center, where they undergo a veterinary examination. Most do not have injuries, but some have to be intervened due to fractures or contamination, like this chick that fell into the hydrocarbon deposit.
Most of the shearwaters we ate have absolutely nothing. The only thing is they have fallen to the ground and cannot take flight. But unfortunately, sometimes these animals have suffered a fracture or have a strong concussion that we have to treat, and then they can remain in the center for a few days and return to the natural environment.
The shearwaters cared for remain in the center until their full recovery. The ultimate goal is always to return them to their natural environment. The release takes place in elevated areas with prevailing winds and close to the sea.
Es muy emocionante.
It's very exciting to return these threatened birds to their habitat. Their path has been interrupted by buildings, by the high luminosity we have on our coastline. Therefore, we must make an effort to conserve our marine fauna, which is in danger of extinction.
En peligro de extinción.
This completes the help we provide to the Cory's shearwater, who will undertake a long journey to the waters of South America. They will soon return because they choose the Canary Coast to have their young. And once again, we will have the opportunity to listen to their song and help them on their first flight. Cory's shearwater collection campaign. You can count on us.